Well, here we are. This is the remote control unit here, and remote control receiver, which resides in the bottom, in the secret panel in the bottom of the Clairtone cabinet, right up here. And when we go to use this remote, it's an RF remote, puts out about 22 megacycles, megahertz. It's received by a long wire antenna, which is across the bottom of the cabinet, fed into this, and this has 4 outputs which operate up and down for 2 controls, and it'll turn the Clairtone stereo off and on. It works well. The disadvantage that I have found with it is that it's very difficult to turn it off. It will always be on. It's a tube device, and it generally stays on all the time. And I think which might not be really good, but there's a toggle switch on it, almost inaccessible when it's installed in the cabinet, that will turn it off. When it operates, it puts a signal out here over to the main stereo receiver, and it will operate the little motors that drive the balance control and the volume control. When the volume control goes fully down to the lowest level, it also turns it off. The remote receiver will still be on, and it will pick up signals from your remote control, and when you increase your volume, it will turn the set on again, and increase your volume to the level you want, and take it from there. Today we're going to hopefully put all this back into the cabinet, and hopefully it'll all work. No, I hope. This black lead here, it goes all the way up along and back to here. This is what actually picks up the signal from the remote control of your hand in underneath and up through here. And there are live contacts all along here on the circuit board. So it's not a thing that you really would like to be doing, I don't think. And that is the drawback that I found. I think